Hi, students. Since Friday is a holiday, so we're going to learn online. I'm going to record the lesson and hopefully you're able to follow. And as you can see, there are 279 marks for this video learning. And kindly write also your nickname, ID, and major as you summarize your activities done and your scores. There are 3 quizzes and listening test is 30 marks. So you have to listen different listening tests that I prepared in this lesson 4.1. And your Kahoot, you will play it later on. And your Cambridge 1 exercises will be 100 marks. You can answer after you listen, after you study this video, you can go to your Cambridge 1 and answer. Your Kahoot, I'll be giving it to you most probably next week. So let's go to your 4.1. You can see this in your book. And if you can open your ebook, it's better because it's colored. Okay, so here, listening test 1, there are 5 questions and 10 marks. So you listen. Okay, for the first question, okay, there is a word here, glocal. Okay, glocal. Question number 1, what does glocal mean in Thai language? So you can write it in Thai. Okay, number 2, A and B. What are the 2 words you can have from the word glocal? Number 3, what do you see in the pictures? Of course, this is in the city. But what are the pictures? What are these? Pictures hanging on the wall of the buildings. Hanging on the buildings. What are they? What are these pictures? Okay, what can you see? What are these pictures? Okay, number 4. Example of glocal is riceberry. Riceberry is planted in Chiang Rai, right? Riceberry. Okay, so it is from a village in Chiang Rai, and then because it's so good, it becomes it is it is being sold, it is being marketed around the world. In the Philippines, my family is eating riceberry. In Japan, they're eating riceberry from Thailand. So everywhere you can go, they know this riceberry, but actually it is from Shanghai, right? So that is the example of local item or local product. So number 4 questions. Can you give another local example, local item or local product? Just one example. Okay, number 5 question. As a student, in what ways you become globally competitive? You are just from Nakhon Tamarat Ratchabat University. In what ways? How? How you become globally competitive? How will you become a globally competitive person? Okay, from a small village, from a city of Nakhon, but people will know you around the world. How? For this, you just have to listen to the video that I sent to you and answer the 2 questions. Okay.
Every day I go to school and come back to home. And in the bus, on the way, or in a school, there are so many ads and I think I see more than 100. Every ad has its impact, but I mostly pay attention on the TV ads. Because for me, watching something is much more comfortable than reading something.
1 and 2, what did she say about the ads and commercials on board and ads on TV? And how about you? Which ad do you prefer to see? Ads on TV? Ads on board? Why? Okay, so we have here reading and posting on Facebook. Okay, so you have to go out, find a billboard, take a selfie with the billboard near your place, and describe it and put it on your Facebook. And that is 30 marks. And after you post it on Facebook and answer the questions, follow my instruction, take a photo once again, and send it in the chat room. And here you listen because I'm going to explain. Here is the example of infographic. Hear the word infographic. 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 Info means information, graphic means data. Okay. So here is the information and the data about the teams, football teams that are known around the world. Real Madrid, okay, Manchester, FC Barcelona, and the PSG. Okay, what's your team? Which one is your team? My child here, my son, he likes Liverpool. It's not here. Okay, so I'm going to give you the infographic of the Real Madrid. Real Madrid annual revenue. As you can read there, annual. Annual means yearly. Yearly revenue is 518 million pound. Okay. So where is it from? The yearly income, the yearly money of Real Madrid. It is from ticket sales, broadcasting rights, just like the pay-per-view. If you watch special activities, special games on TV, sometimes you pay a special price. That is pay-per-view. Broadcasting rights, 188 million pound. And sponsorships and merchandising. What does it mean? Sponsorship, okay, is the sponsors, okay, give them certain amount of money, and merchandising, just like they sell jersey. Okay, as you can see, there are t-shirts here, jersey. These are t-shirts that, okay, if it is original, very expensive. So from merchandising, from selling these t-shirts and other team items, they can get 2011 million pounds, and the total is 518 million pounds, right? So my question 1 to 10, can you give me infographics of Manu or Manchester United, PSG, and FC Barcelona? List them down 1 to 10, and don't copy from your friends. Do it on your own. This is very easy. Here in the reading part, I'm going to read to you and read with me so that you know how to pronounce the words. And you're going to answer quiz 1. Soccer is the world's highest earning sports. Highest. Football. Okay. Football is the highest earning sports. Earn means you get money. So football or soccer is gaining much money. Okay, from where? Ticket sales, sponsorship, merchandising, selling teams items, right? Like jersey t-shirts. Okay, so you might think that money comes from ticket sales. But actually, Nenon, okay, a lot of it comes from sales of merchandise. Merchandise. Merchandise means, okay, the product, selling of the product, like the t-shirt. It is the team's product, usually t-shirts, shorts, okay, sportswear. Let's have Real Madrid example. Real Madrid, for example, business from its sponsors represent one third of the team's total revenue. Okay, look at Real Madrid. Let's go back. Okay. You can see here the Real Madrid, the total revenue is 518 million pound, and one third of it, 2011 million. One third of it is from sponsorship and merchandising. 211, this is a lot higher than ticket sales, right? Ticket sales is just 119. So it's not from the ticket sales. It is there much money is from sponsorship and merchandising. Okay, let's take the example of French team PSG. Okay, the PSG sponsorship and merchandising represent over half. Half. Look, okay, PSG, okay, 255 million for sponsorship and merchandising. Annual, the yearly annual. Okay, yearly revenue is 400 million pounds. So, can you see it? Ticket is just 54. But when they sell their t-shirt, they sell their teams, things, items, then they get more money. Okay, good. So, we have here that could mean that PSG's brand is more valuable than the teams itself because when they play, there are just few people, not a lot money from the ticket sale, but many people are buying their products. Okay. All teams have corporate sponsorship deals, which usually means putting the sponsor's logo on the jersey. Example, the PSG, they have the jersey shirt, then their sponsors, example, Coca-Cola Company. Okay? Coca-Cola. Okay, then the logo of Coca-Cola should be on their shirt, on their jersey shirt. In the case of Real Madrid and PSG, the two teams, PSG and Real Madrid, the same sponsors appear on their jersey. Oh, the two t-shirts, the two jerseys, PSG and Real Madrid, same sponsors. Okay, the logo is on their shirt. What is that company? Yes, the Emirates Airline Company sponsors both team. Okay, sponsorship is everywhere in professional sports. These days, if teams don't have sponsors on their jerseys, they can't be taken seriously. So the team that has no sponsors, no logos on their jersey is not good. Okay, it's not popular. They will not be taken seriously. Even in the US, some NBA teams now have sponsors on TV shirts, on their shirts and TV commercials that advertise games are also ads for the sponsor's product. What does it mean? Okay, like in NBA is popular. Uh, Basketball is popular in the United States. And what happened? Example, Coca-Cola Company, they sponsor Lakers, one famous basketball one famous basketball team in the USA. So they sponsor Lakers. And in the t-shirt, in the jersey shirt of the team has the Coca-Cola, right? And if they are shown, they advertise on TV their games, announcement of their games, then they show also Coca-Cola, right? Wherever they're going to show their team, the product should also be shown. They will also show the product. Okay. So, because sports team brands are so valuable means it's samkan mak, very important. Authentic, the jing na, real, may out fake. Okay, authentic jerseys are status symbols and fashion statements. Other branded products, from coffee mugs to mouse pads, also bear the teams and sponsors logo and slogan. You know what is logo? So whatever things. Okay, coffee mugs, the coffee cup. Okay, and mouse pad. Mouse pad is your computer mouse pad. They have also the team who is the sponsor. Example, Coca-Cola. So there will be also Coca-Cola on those mugs. Okay? They have the slogan. What is slogan? Okay, like Coca-Cola. What is the Coca-Cola slogan? Coca-Cola slogan, I think it's a quench your tears. Okay? So it says here, all of this merchandising means fakes are everywhere. Okay, there are also fakes, my Jing Jing. Okay, but if your Real Madrid jersey cost 3 times, how do you know that your shirt is fake or not, or real or authentic? Okay, it is when the price tauray na takibat. Okay, if it is very expensive 3 times more expensive than what you can see around, then that's original. Okay, sometimes some jersey shirt you can have nongroy. No, jersey shirts are very expensive if it is original. So please just watch this again and again, this part, so that you can answer your reading comprehension test. Then you have okay, so I'm going to help you read all of this so that you will be able to pronounce it yourself. Ad or advertisement. Advertisement. That is kamnam, noun. Merchandise or product. Merchandise or products. Like the jersey shirt, that is the merchandise and the product of the team. Fashion statement. Okay, just like the concept, the fashion statement. Merchandising. Status symbol. Commercial mengkan ad. Okay, advertisement, commercial mengkan. Advertise, that is kiriya verb. Sponsor. Say sponsor. Well, sponsor, no. Sponsor. Slogan. Okay, brand, logo. Mhm. So we have here a sponsor is Kamnam. Okay. Coca-Cola is a sponsor of what team? Liverpool. And sponsor is verb. Coca-Cola sponsors Liverpool. Merchandise, noun. Merchandising is verb. A brand, a logo, a slogan. Okay, what is a brand? Mhm. What is a brand? Samsung brand. A logo. You know what is the logo of Samsung? Okay, what is the slogan of Samsung? Okay, advertise, advertisement, and a commercial. Okay, advertise. You have to make an ad on the wall, billboard, so that, okay, people will know. Okay, that is an advertisement. That is a sort of a commercial, status symbol, and fashion statement. Here, you're going to learn by yourself so you can answer your Cambridge 1 and quiz 2 and 3. We have here the word must not, may, might, can't, and could. Okay, to speculate. What is speculate? Just what you think, to tell what you think. Okay, for example, when you are not sure that something is true, use might, could, and may. Okay, if something is not true, not sure, and something is true, is might, could, and may. You can see it in your notebook, in your books. When you are not sure, when you're sure that something, number two, when you're sure that something is true, use must. It must be real. It must be expensive. Okay, if it is sure and true. When you're sure but not true. Sure, but not true. You can say it can't, and must not. Okay, so here are the examples. Might. What is might? You're not sure that something is true. You might think that money comes from the ticket sale. Okay, it's not. It's from sponsorship and merchandising. If it is three times the price, then it must be real. Okay, that you are sure that something is true. If teams don't have the sponsors, they can't be taken seriously. What is that? A can't. Something you are sure that it's not true. So you can answer your quiz 2 and quiz 3. And then you go on with your Cambridge 1 4.1, that is 100 marks. Okay, in the question, send message to me, and your Kahoot for this will be next week, maybe before we're going to start 4.2. Okay, thank you very much.